Today unboxing of not one but two parcels from Russia. They are eBay items and it is not every day you get stuff from Russia, so I believe it was worth a video. And actually in here we have something quite special. So we will start with the small one comes from Volgograd and the big one comes from a certain Anna woman in Magnitogorsk, Chelyabinsk region. It is very far away, it is not far from Kazakhstan. And about the big one, the customs label says they are power supply block for $59. Believe me, they are not power supply blocks in this thing, they are something else. So this one was actually very cheap, considering it might be a bargain. It was $15 or something like this. So we will first open this one. So make your guess, what do we have in this? What do you think we have? Little box. So there are things I am looking after sometimes on eBay, but usually they are in good condition. They are quite expensive, as you will notice. But here it was really cheap because they need repair, or they are for parts actually. But I hope I will be able to save a few of them and make them working. So we have in here a grab bag of broken Soviet quartz watches. As you can see, it is pretty small. I will zoom in. So 9 or 10 of them, I believe. So we have here, so I will make teardowns of a few of them. These are not in very good conditions, but the other ones I will try at least to save one or two. So as you can see, yes, the CCCP quality label with serial number. So we have here a weird Electronica LCD watch, made in USSR of course, with sideways display, but it looks like the LCD is bad in here. On the front top buttons for sitting. Quite another one. This one is in bad condition, so I believe it will be a teardown. Super miniature teardown, by the way. This one is actually working. So it is fun because it is written Montana. Sounds American, but on the back it seems to be a US flag actually, but I believe inside we really have a Russian made watch. We will find out, but this one is working, so I may get a strap for it and use it actually. Oh, this is not in too bad condition. We continue with, so I believe they are all quartz watch. Not totally sure, but here we have one with Kremlin, I believe, 1995, made in Russia. It is written here because USSR was not existing anymore at this time already. Serial number at the back also. Pretty small serial number. On the weird case here, not sure how it will pop open. We will find out in another video. We have this one is working also. Yes, it is written quartz at the bottom. And the brand here is Lush, I believe. So this is a nice surprise. another LCD one with something written on the back, so it must be a present or something. It is customized for someone or some special occasion. And it is an Electronica 5 that seems to be in pretty decent shape. Probably more a woman's watch considering the size, but if I can put a battery in this and it is working, I may keep it for sure. We continue with another Lush one made in USSR with a weird case. Here there is the quality stamp here at the back. There is some kind of contact or button here. Oh, actually little covers that will just pop out. Quite weird. I'm not sure how this case will open, because it is not from the back at least. Really interesting. So this one, I did see one for sale on eBay for I believe $40 or something like this. I will put here a screen capture if I find again the ad. So, about the big parcel. Yes, they are not power supplies, and I did actually pay a little bit more than usual. It was not far from 200 euros with the shipping, but considering we might have here one of a kind items that will never pop up again on eBay. It was totally worth it. So we have in here, guys, Soviet avionics. It has been a long time I did not receive any new Soviet avionic device. And yes, we have two things. Very well wrapped. One of them here. Second one here. I am checking if there is any bonus or not. No, nothing, no candies. Okay. So, there are here, I believe, some kind of mission control panels for bomber aircraft. According to the little bit of information that was available, either on the eBay ad or on iPhone on the web. So I will unwrap them. I am quite happy with this stuff, I can tell you. Here is the first item. So 7-segment displays, keyboard, selectors. It is called the PPK 23K-1, and as you can see, has never been opened, still sealed from factory. So this will be nice to tear down. Really, in here we just have two big regular Russian connectors. So it is the first item. And the second one is actually at least the same level of interest, or maybe even more interesting. So as you can guess, here are just big plugs, lot of bubble wrap here to keep, and this one seems to be some kind of software or card reader, not sure. to maybe you have your mission in some kind of digital memory, and you will load it into a flight computer. So what do we have? This one is a pretty deep box, still never opened. Handwritten stuff at the back, and it is the PPK module. You can see how the wire go in here. Interesting. And here is what we have on the front. We have a slot for Carta. We have status lights, and we have some selectors. So what happens if I open this? Oh, okay. It is interesting. There is obviously a slot to insert some kind of card with no precise idea of which card technology it will be, because I cannot see anything inside. It looks like there is something to open here, to flip open, but it will not turn. Interesting. So there is this slider thing that will go in. I will actually be able to unscrew this, I guess, to if I need to take the front panel off during the teardown. And it is really weird stuff, because now I cannot close it anymore. Oh, actually it is very hard. Okay, so there will be interesting teardowns for sure. PPK and PPK 23 avionics box from Soviet bombers, and of course all the watches. So thanks for watching, and stay tuned for the teardowns. Bye bye.